Hi everyone, welcome back to Coda and Lorraine's Adventures. If you're new here, welcome to our crazy little family. Please make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button down below. Turn that red gray, and please ring the bell and click all so that you can get notified of all of my future uploads. Today we're going to do a little bit of a different video, right? I have been requested to show you what is in my fridge. So we are going to show you what is in my fridge. Let's get to it. So as you guys know, my husband bought me, or if you don't know, my husband bought me a cosmetics fridge. It's not technically a cosmetics fridge. It is actually a 6-pack soda can fridge, which is actually kind of cool in that it came with a car charger and all of that. Well, hello, handsome boy. Ryan's down here. Hopefully he doesn't knock the camera down, but it will wobble because he bunks it. Anyway, so it has an adapter to plug into car charger. It has a handle to go. So it kind of acts like a cooler, I guess you would say. And then it says Dr. Pepper on the front. I don't know. Maybe I can. There, you guys can see it. So that's my fridge. And then it has this. So I don't have a lot of stuff in it right now. I just kind of have my morning routine stuff that I will put on before I do my makeup. And then I also have my vitamin C stuff in here. Because it is very important to keep your vitamin C in the refrigerator to keep it from oxidizing. So on the top fridge here, or on the top shelf here, I have my Becca under eye primer. You do need to warm it up with your finger when you put it on, but this is amazing cold. I discovered that accidentally, but I have hit pan on this. I need to order a new one. But this is amazing cold. It has kind of a minty bite to it anyway, and then when you make it cold, it's even more so, and it really helps with the puff. And then I just have a little extra moisturizer in here in case, one, if somebody's in here that I'm doing their makeup and they have a little oilier skin and don't need like my moonshine cream, or sometimes I want just a little bit lighter moisturizer, so I'll use this. And I don't have a full size in here. So this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel, and it works wonders when it's cold. And especially like if you are gonna have if you have sensitive skin or sunburn or windburn, because like here we have really crazy windy winters, so we get windburned a lot. So this works great when you're windburned. And then these are my pre-makeup. I put these on after I've moisturized and put my sunscreen on. And so I'll put these on. This is obviously the Farsali liquid glass. And then this is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. And so I'll just put a few drops of these on before, and I like them cold. That's just a preference thing. They don't have to be cold. I just prefer them cold. So this is all my vitamin C stuff. This is a daily skin brightening serum from Good Molecules, and I prefer it cold. It is thicker when it's cold, but I do prefer it cold. So these are my two go-to vitamin C serums, and they work better cold. So this one's almost gone and I need a new one. And then these two serums are caffeine serums. They both work amazingly well on the under eyes, and then I put them right in through here as well, and they depuff a lot, especially the ordinary one. This one works really good on your whole face to kind of depuff. Don't mind my hand, I have swatches on my hand. But this one works really good on your whole face. This one works fantastic on the under eyes, especially when it's cold. And then this I have in here because who does not love a good cold watermelon mist? Talk about refreshing. Whoo-wee. It is wonderful. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mist. And when it's cold, it's amazing. So it stays in here all the time. And then I have a little paper towel or tissue in the back just to catch condensation. That's it. So that's what's in my little fridge. So not a whole lot of stuff really yet. My husband is going to devise a little thing here for me to put a couple face masks. So that's all that's in my little fridge. I just thought I'd give you guys a little showing of that. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Anyway, go out and have an adventure. Be safe about it. Blessings to you all. Love ya. Bye.